Question number 70. Correct decreasing order of electron affinity of the given elements is. That we can understand with the help of electron gain enthalpy. We know that exceptionally chlorine has the highest negative electron gain enthalpy. After that there is the turn for the fluorine and then sulfur and oxygen. So in this case the electron affinity order will also follow the same order. Chlorine with the maximum electron affinity, then fluorine, sulfur and oxygen. So option 3 becomes the correct option. Question number 71. Which among the following will be most hydrated in aqueous medium? The hydration depends on the charge to radius ratio. It means more charge and lesser size will result in more hydration. In this case, all of these ions have the same charge. It means this hydration is dependent on their size only. So if I talk about the size, smallest size is there for the beryllium ion, because these all are the ions of the alkaline earth metal. First is beryllium, then there is magnesium ion. After that there is the calcium ion and then barium ion. So this is the order of increasing ionic size, and smallest is the size, maximum would be the hydration. So this is there for beryllium, and just choose option 3 as your correct option. After that, question number 72. Consider the following reaction. Aniline we have, its diazotization is done. Further it is treated with Cu2Cl2 in the presence of HCl, Sandwich reaction it is. And further magnesium is reacting with it in the presence of dry ether to give you C, and further D2O is reacting with it. In this case we should know the reaction sequence. What are the products formed here? This is my aniline. It is reacting with NaNO2 and HCl in the presence of 0 to 5 degrees Celsius temperature. It means quite low temperature it is, and there is the formation of benzene diazonium salt. I'm just writing here N2Cl. It is formed. Now this is A. This A is treated with Cu2Cl2 in the presence of HCl. So definitely chlorobenzene is formed. Now when this chlorobenzene, this is B here, and it is treated with Mg in the presence of dry ether. So the formation of, there is the formation of organometallic compound MgCl, and this MgCl is representing the compound C. And now when this compound C is treated with D2O, heavy water, there is the formation of benzene in which heavy hydrogen is present. So third option is showing the product D correctly. That's why option 3 becomes the correct answer for this question. After that, question number 73 I have. Question number 73. The most acidic compound among the following is. Just have a look on the given options. In the first option we have para-nitrophenol. This is a derivative of phenol. Further, methoxyphenol. Para-methoxyphenol we have. Further, para-nitrobenzoic acid. Similarly, the fourth option is para-methoxybenzoic acid. It means 2 phenol derivatives are there and 2 benzoic acid derivatives are there. We should know that always the carboxylic acid is more acidic as compared to phenols. It means we can ignore the first 2 options. Now we are left with option 3 and option 4. Presence of some electron withdrawing group at the para position always increases the acidity. It means ease to lose proton. So in this case, when this carboxylic acid group releases its proton, that carboxylate ion is stabilized by the presence of the nitro group at the para position. And that is why in this case it has the maximum acidic nature. But if I talk about the next one, this is methoxy group. This methoxy group is electron releasing group, not the electron withdrawing one. That's why it will not stabilize this carboxylate ion after removal of proton that much. That was done by this compound. So the maximum acidic character is there with the compound 3, and the answer becomes option 3. After that, question number 74. Major product P of the given reaction is. You can clearly see here is a diol that's given and it's reacting with H2SO4 to give you the major product. Just recall which reaction it is. This is Pinacol, Pinacolon. Rearrangement. What happens here? In this case, 1,2-diol gets changed into carbonyl compound. I have the mechanism for this reaction for you. Just have a look on this. If you look at here, this is the compound that's given in the question. In the presence of acid, H2SO4 we have added. That's why H plus ion are here. And in this case, there is the lone pair of electrons are here. And in this case, there is the formation of this molecule. In this case, oxonium ion is formed. This is quite unstable. You know that. And in that case, there is the removal of this water molecule. And ultimately, there's the formation of this carbocation. You can clearly see this group. I'll just mark here. This benzene ring, it will come at this place. It means there's a rearrangement. And that results in the formation of your final product, P. This is P. Now, just have a look on this P and check where this is given in the question. In the question, if you look at, you will see that that is given here in option 3. So just choose option 3 as your correct option. So the answer for this question becomes option 3. After that, there's another question. Question number 75. Which among the following is an intensive property? What are intensive properties? These are those properties which are independent of the quantity of matter. So enthalpy, entropy and volume are extensive properties. These are not independent of the quantity of matter. But the pressure is intensive property. So this is the correct answer.